This is Cameron doing another video on trade lines. I'd like to show one of our trade lines just hit this month. We have a City Bank that was ordered. This is an Experian credit profile for one of our clients. This is you see here 2 open accounts. The date is June 7th, 2018. Let's fast forward to June 23rd, 2018. And now you have updating here. Now 3 open accounts. City to City Bank trade line posted. He ordered a 12,500. This one is, let me see, 8 years old. Again, this is a Social Security number profile. We do Social Security number profiles, and as well as CPN numbers as well. But again, half our business is Social Security number profiles because we do credit repair as well. And that's pretty much it. Just want to keep, letting people know that our trade lines are posting on a regular basis. We've got over 300 trade lines now. We're direct to the majority of our cardholders, so our prices are very, very reasonable, as low as $200. But again, if you want some age, you want to spend a little bit more. So the smaller costing trade lines tend to do better on CPN numbers, where on a Social Security number profile, you want some age on it. That's about it. I do want to give some content here. As I said on a few other videos, you want primaries as well as AUs on your profiles, be it social profile or a CPN profile. We've come across one here that's pretty popular. This is MDG. This is CPN friendly. A lot of these accounts don't take CPN, but this particular one we find works pretty well for CPN numbers. It is a primary and works very well, called MDG. I'll put a link below if you want more information on getting this one. You want to have at least a starter primary on this one, although you may get it without it if you age the CPN properly and you do the correct public directory entry. You might get it without a trade line, but it's best to have something. Even a 6-month-old trade line would give you some kind of score, which authenticates and validates your CPN number. So I want to try MDG with the CPN. Even with the Social Security number, this will work pretty well because it is a primary. You want to check it out. For information, call me. My name's Cameron. The number is 202-213-2218. Again, we're doing credit sweeps. They're working very well. We can remove all negative items from your profile. It could be child support, bankruptcies, student loans, you name it. Nothing we can't get off through our credit sweep program. Once we sweep your profile clean, then we add trade lines to it and get you funding up to $200,000. That program is working very well as well. So give us a call for more information. Again, 202-213-2218. Thank you. Have a great day.